Guten Tag to you, it's Haley, and today I'm a leprechaun, I guess. That way, that if I fail with the Irish accent, you say, why was playing a leprechaun? Well, with the damn kids, they're all after me Lucky Charms. I wasn't trying to actually play a proper Irish person and say potato. Right, anyway. We move on to earthquakes where there wasn't much happening. 3.0s, 3.8s, New Mexico, Raton. I'm not sure about that. Valdez, is that where, the oil spill was? Obviously, I'm very informed of such things. Here we're going to play again. Identify the winter colours. Okay, let's read. It went, at least over here, that a warning was a lighter shade than a watch. So this is like a winter weather watch, and that's a winter weather warning? I don't know. And of course, today it loads really slow. Frost advisory. It's totally freeze warning. Not a winter weather warning. Freeze warning, frost advisory. And we've got a dark blue one. Maybe that's the winter weather watch. Freeze watch. Okay. I screwed it all up. I got the watch warning part. Well, I got the warning part. Right, so that let's see. Frost advisory, freeze watch, freeze warning. Very exciting. It's only September, we just only got out of July, it feels like, with its 100-degree days. Heat, what's that word? Heat indices in the 130s. I know I personally experienced that. It's insane. And now it's time for us to freeze to death. Fun times. And it's also time for us to be super, super dry if we're in Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, New Mexico, or Arizona, or Georgia, and places like that. I don't know. And here are the places. Oh, Canada. Vancouver's going to get a lot of rain, but they're not in much of a drought. Or at least they're not on our map, are they? But, so, will we see some relief in Texas? Maybe a smidge, but I'm guessing it's still going to be an exceptional drought at the end of the 5 days. That's a 5-day quantitative precipitation forecast map. And here's who's got too much water. If only we could divert it down to Texas. Again, with up there. And a little bit of the Tropical Storm Lee remnants, probably. And if I remember correctly, one of the problems with the flooding along the Missouri was the fact that there had been tons and tons of snowfall. And as it was melting, it was all, running down the banks. I don't know what. I don't have a proper expression, but it was filling up the streams and the rivers and such. And that's why it was flooding. So, it's just in time for us to get a whole bunch more snowfall and such. Here's the confusing map. So this is today's severe weather outlook, but we quickly switch on to looking at the 5% chance of wind, the 5% chance of hail, which is basically the same exact map, and the nothing chance of tornadoes, apparently. Here's tomorrow, though. We've got a slight risk. Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas. 15% chance. And some 5% surrounded, adding a smidge in New Mexico, Colorado, Nebraska, so on and so forth. Here is the lovely 10% chance with the cloudiness and showers and blah, blah, blah out in the eastern Pacific. And Maria, how many days was Maria hurricane? I don't even remember, but she's already gone, apparently. Post-tropical cyclone Maria. So we bid you farewell. It's been lovely. You'll be apparently completely off the map, and probably by the next update. Hey, let's click on it anyway. I don't even know what to make of that. This is a meaningless graphic. This was time well spent. Look, there she is, I guess, and then she's dead. I'm not sure. Anyway, so, tomorrow you should stop by Wicked Wicks, because there, could be tornadoes or something. I have no idea. WICKAD, wx.com. You know what? I never know how to properly end these things, so we just do.